So, how to test new offers when you're entering into a new market? So, here is a quick video explaining the details of it. Let me share my screen. Three, two, one, go. So, there are only two ways for you to actually test any offer. There is going to be the organic way, which is more time, and paid rate when you have more revenue to actually allocate for these campaigns, right? If you have more time, follow the organic route. If you have more cash flow, where you have the liberty to test for at least a few weeks or months, I would say a few months, go down the paid ad route. If you do not have that, I would suggest you to stick to the organic route. Okay. So let's look at the organic route. So the organic route is going to be, there are only two things: put content out and have conversations to validate your offer. It's as simple as that. And here is a simple structure that you can actually follow to validate, to go down the Facebook route to validate your offer. You're going to find a free community where your target audience are actually a part of. It can be a free community or a paid community. I would recommend the paid community, but if you don't have any access to free communities, you can paid communities, you can actually go for free communities. And if you want to know how to find out how to find out the paid communities or the free communities or communities where your target audience are actually be a part of, comment down below and I'll create that video and I'll link that video in the comments down below. So you're going to find that community, and then you're going to become a valuable member in that community by actually demonstrating that you can solve your target audience questions. You can solve them for them, and you can demonstrate that they can get a result with you. They can be certain that you'll help them get a result. So that is what you're going to do, and then get people to reach out to you for help, or you reach out to the people based on the conversations, based on the people that you're helping them. You can reach out to them or let them reach out to you depending on what your preferences are. But I would personally reach out to them to initiate a conversation to build that relationship. And obviously once that is done, you'll book more calls which would help you validate your offer, which is cash collected at the end of the day. So this is a simple structure that you're going to follow. And remember that it's not about rushing. Do not rush the conversation here. If you rush, the likeliness of them trusting you goes down, and you need them to be certain that you can help them get a result. And you cannot do that by when you're rushing people. And the second route is when you actually have more cash flow in your hand and you are willing to run ads for next 3 months. And I would suggest you to have at least 20 to $25 of budget per day. And if you have that, here is what you're going to do. You're going to run something called as awareness campaign. Awareness campaign is the goal of the Facebook ads that you're going to run. And the intent of this campaign is you're going to identify the topic that you are going to start running ads for colder audience to have more sales. So when I say this, you're going to create 5 to 6 videos here answering your target audience questions that they have, and you're going to put some dollars behind it. I would suggest you to get started with at least $5 to $10 per day. Okay. And then you're going to start running awareness campaigns, and you're going to boost every single post, and you're going to start running them and let them run for like 5 to 7 days to identify which video is actually going to work. And then once you find that video, you're going to move them to the next step. Now, how do you find that video that is going to get more sales, get more to move it to the next phase? You can either look for click-through ratio, CTRs in this case, or engagement on the ad, right? So these are the two metrics that you can actually see. And the second one is you're going to, once you find that out, then you're going to move it to the traffic campaign. And of course this is going to be the goal as well, and you're going to spend at least $30 for next 2 days faster, and you're going to test again 3 to 4 ads here. And what you're going to do is the goal of this campaign is to identify which ad creative is going to convert the best, right? So that is one thing that you're going to test. Now that you've found the topic and you found the ad creative that you're going to run with, you're going to start running conversion campaigns, which is going to be the goal of the campaign as well, and where you'll be spending at least 10 to $15 per day. And the goal of this is to make more conversations and more sales, depending on where you're sending the conversation, where you're sending the traffic to, and the conversion traffic to. If it's messenger, then you're going to have more conversations. If it's you're sending them to a landing page, you're going to have more sales, depending on it's going to be a low ticket or VSL or webinar. Depending on what that is, the structure changes. But yeah, if you have more Facebook, if you have more ad spend, you're going to follow the structure. It's as simple as that. Cool. If you have any questions, comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.